Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming permissions and picking the voice message to convert. Open the chat or file, then launch the transcription app or native speech tool. Make sure the audio is clear. Poor quality forces errors. Tap import or play then record depending on the tool. Once done, select language and audio source. This tells the software how to decode sounds. You do this now so the conversion process is accurate and avoids backtracking later. Next, you run the automatic transcription and watch it populate text in real time. While it works, monitor for common errors like names or slang because automatic tools misinterpret them. Pause and replay segments if accuracy drops, then correct words and add punctuation to improve readability. Once the draft looks right, apply speaker labels or breaks so readers follow conversation flow. Make sure to save revisions frequently. Finally, export or copy the clean transcript to your desired format and share it where you need. If you spot lingering errors, improve audio clarity by reducing noise or using a different transcription engine, then retry. Sometimes a second pass fixes tough segments. Make sure to proofread once more for context and tone before sending. If things go wrong, check permissions, try another app, or re-record the portion. These fixes resolve most stubborn transcription issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.